Alright guys, these are the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro. We are going to unbox these together. So let's see what's inside. First of all, remove the seal. Okay, remove it here too. Okay, let's see. Oh, alright, here we have the buds. Here they are. Let's check them. Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro. Alright, let's see what's inside the box. Alright, we have this thing. The cables. So this is the cable to charge, obviously. And what's this one? Oh, these are extra, I don't know how they call it, but you know, the parts of how do you remove this? How do you you know, those things that we put on the ears, right? These are like extra of them. So this thing here, yes. So this one are like extra, you can see here. Yeah, this one are like, you know, additional birds, if that's how they call it. Okay, and yeah, I think that's all that's supposed to be in the box. Let's see. Yeah, they say we should have the earbuds that we have, the charging case, yeah, we have earbud tips. Well, that's the name that I was looking for, earbud tips. We have them. USB-C cable, we have it. Quick start guide. We haven't found the quick start guide yet. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Here's a quick start guide, I guess. Alright, written in Korean. Alright, that's what we have here. And that's what you get when you buy the Samsung Galaxy Buds 2 Pro.